Quality, service and affordability. Have used both in-store and mail order. Very helpful shop staff, and being able to peruse equipment is really useful. Quick service on mail order. Quality of product looks good. Quite a bit UK made and competitively priced. I particularly like the collection of refurbished and returns in the shop. Some real bargains to be found.
5-star. Responded quickly to my email query. Prompt delivery. Import duty to the EU is included in the price listed on the website.
Good products at a reasonable price. Everything was of good quality, made in the UK and as described. Good communication throughout the order, free postage that was on time. Overall, I highly recommend Axminster Tools.
Simply the best in my opinion. Axminster Tools is an amazing company. My entire craft room is an Axminster Tools only zone. Great quality, superb customer service, fast delivery, fantastic aftercare, definitely worth the 5 stars.
Happy customer. I'm impressed with the quality of the products and prices sold by Axminster. Couple this with quick delivery to make a happy customer.
Quick, secure and seamless process. Excellent website, fast delivery from overseas, great communication from FedEx pertaining to delivery time, and a fantastic UJK product at a fair price. What more can I say? Will not hesitate to order again. Cheers from Ontario, Canada.